For decades, humanity has dreamed of a world without limits. Faster travel, seamless communication, once science fiction, now an emerging reality. From supersonic jets to space-powered internet, are we on the verge of a revolution? In 2003, the Concorde flew for the last time. The dream of supersonic travel seemed over, until now. Companies like Boom Supersonic are bringing it back, promising jets that fly at Mach 1.7, cutting flight times in half while being quieter and more efficient. Imagine crossing continents in just a few hours, business, tourism, even family visits, redefined by speed. While speed is transforming travel, another revolution is happening above us. Starlink, SpaceX's satellite network, is breaking barriers in connectivity, bringing high-speed internet to remote corners of the world. No longer limited by cables, Starlink could empower education, businesses, and even space missions with uninterrupted global coverage. But innovation doesn't come without challenges. Can supersonic jets be truly sustainable? Will satellite networks interfere with astronomy and space traffic? The road ahead is complex, but filled with potential. From the sky to space, technology is reshaping our world. The question is, are we ready to embrace a future without limits?